Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. There are so many different cooking processes. Baking, sauteing, stir-frying, grilling, boiling, roasting, and so on. There's one that is so useful, especially when there's some canning involved, or simply for a beautiful presentation. In this episode, we'll learn how to blanch asparagus. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Before doing anything, we'll prep the asparagus. We'll take the spear and remove the tough ends by simply bending it. It will snap easy without putting any effort into it, and also exactly where it should break. Doing this will separate the woody part of the vegetable from the good part. Of course, we'll discard the tough ends. Now, depending on the recipe, you might want to cut the spears in pieces. When I filmed this video, I was making my delicious Mediterranean chicken pesto pasta, and I cut them into 1-inch pieces. Next, in a saucepan filled with water, we'll add some coarse sea salt, about a tablespoon, and then bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll add our prepared asparagus and set the timer for 2.5 minutes. On the other hand, if you didn't cut them into pieces, add an extra minute to the cooking time. As soon as the timer goes off, we'll remove from the heat and immediately plunge them in an ice bath using a slotted spoon or a spider strainer. This will stop the cooking process. We'll let them soak for a few minutes until they cool off. We'll transfer the asparagus pieces to a colander and drain them well before proceeding with our recipe.
As you saw in this video, it's an easy method, perfect when canning, freezing, and also to preserve that vibrant green color of this particular vegetable. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!